What do you have, Dylan?
Squeeze.
Squeeze? Okay. And what is he going to do?
See me.
What are you doing, bud?
I'm just going to
Do you think you fixed it?
I don't have. I think I can. No, I think I can. No!
Okay, go ahead. Dylan, can you tell me what you're doing?
Awake.
Hammer gently, please. No, that's too hard. All right, Dylan. Thank you. Is it fixed?
No, I don't think so. Yeah. I don't think so. I think I can get up there. I can get up there and see if his toilet paper is up there to work.
No, that cabinet's fine. You don't have to fix that one.
Only this one gets fixed.
Yep, but it's fixed. Did you fix the leak?
Yes.
Do you see any water?
I don't think I see one.
Good job, you fixed it. Thanks, Dylan.
Come on, try. No.
All right, let's get your tools and get out of the bathroom. Great job, buddy. Thanks for helping. Good job. Thanks, Dylan.
Turn off now. I can't reach up there.
Do you want me to do it?
No, turn on. Can you do something to me too?